Hi there. So last week we had a kid break a key off in a door lock. The difference with this one, and it's not like we don't have a lot of broken keys in locks. Every once in a while one comes up, but usually it's a key that's actually supposed to be in the lock. It breaks off at a point where you can actually use a lock pick to get it out, hook it and pull it, or you can even sometimes grab it with the tip of a needle nose pliers and pull it out. In this case, this kid, and I think he just was, I don't know, I don't think he was trying to be malicious. I think he was actually just trying to see if the key that I have will work in this lock. Not realizing that unless it's the correct key for the lock, it's not going to work. I don't know. Anyway, he snapped off a key in the lock, and it was so far deep inside that I couldn't pick it out. I couldn't get it with a pair of needle nose pliers. And so I had to drill it.
Buckle up your seat as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
So if you ever have to do what I'm doing here, and I learned this very, very quickly, start your drill first and then approach your material. Don't put the drill bit up against the cylinder and then pull the trigger. The other thing is that these drills have a lot of torque, and when you're drilling something like this, even though brass is soft and my bits are sharp, it's gonna grab. You don't want to injure your wrist, so try and figure out a way to anchor this somehow and protect your wrist. Now, I don't want you to sit here all day and watch me drill a lock, so I'm going to run this at double speed. I just chose double though because I still want you to appreciate how long it actually takes to drill out a lock. So at this pace, you'll be with me for the next 2.5 minutes. Check this out. Even two-handed, the torque of the drill is still turning things. And even though I'm bringing it up to speed beforehand, it still grabs. So you're going to be fighting this the whole time. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've moved up in bit sizes and I'm actually all the way through. I'm trying to see if I can pry the cylinder out at this point. I can't. And there's the last of it. Having gone through the cylinder, this last piece that I need to get to is what's called the tail piece. And once I can drill that out of the way, then I can stick my screwdriver in its place and turn the whole assembly.
I'm getting there.
Kids are clapping because they can get into the classroom? What's wrong with these kids?
I don't think this one's fixable.